Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the ink cartridges of a HP DeskJet 2710e. Now, unlike a lot of inkjet printers on the market, this can't be done from the printer itself, so we're going to be using my laptop in this instance. But the process remains relatively simple. So over on our screen, the first thing we need to do is open the HP Smart app. So I'm going to hit the Windows key, type HP Smart. Obviously you could have a shortcut or whatever set up for yourself. So here we have our machine. It's listed under the DeskJet 2700 series, but that's the one. And what we're looking for is the print quality tools, which are down on the bottom left-hand side here. So click to go into that. And as you can see straight away, we have align print heads and clean print heads. Obviously clean print heads is what we're looking for. And the print heads are built into the actual cartridges on this machine, so don't be concerned that it doesn't actively say clean ink cartridges. Print heads is what you're looking for. So we go into clean print heads. I am using refilled cartridges, so it's giving us a little warning. And you should hear your printer clicking and whirring as it works away on cleaning the ink cartridges in there. What it'll be doing is forcing fresh ink through the printer's print head to dislodge any dried or congealed ink in there and hopefully improve the quality of your prints. Now the light up here should be flashing while it's cleaning, but once it returns to being a solid light again, you can return to the screen. And if you're looking to test the results of your clean, I'd advise going down to the bottom left-hand side again. See where it says printer reports? Click into that. And at the bottom here you have print quality report, which is like a test page for your printer and would be a recommended next step from me. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know for this printer, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.